Get ready to track the incredible worldwide journey of your favorite shoes, from raw earth materials to your feet. Hold a sneaker in your mind. It looks like one simple thing, but it's actually a suitcase full of materials that have traveled across the planet. Let's investigate what your sneaker is really made of. The bouncy sole and many plastic parts often start as oil and natural gas from deep underground. Oil doesn't come out ready to be a sneaker. It gets heated and separated in huge refineries, turning into ingredients that can become foam, rubbery soles, and strong plastic pieces. But sneakers aren't only oil. Many have fabric made from polyester, which also starts from oil, and some have cotton that begins in a farm field as a fluffy plant. Now for the tiny but mighty parts, the eyelets, lace tips, and coloring minerals. Metals and minerals begin as rocks, pulled from mines using machines as big as houses. Here's the impact moment. Mining and drilling give us materials we use every day, but they also change habitats, so people have to plan carefully, restore land, and protect water and wildlife. Next stop, the factory, where stuff becomes sneaker. Imagine giant mixers whipping chemical ingredients into foamy blobs that will become a springy midsole. Then comes heat and pressure, like a controlled mini volcano. Molds squeeze and shape the rubbery outsole, stamping in the tread that helps you grip the ground. The upper is a different kind of magic: cutting, stitching, and bonding. Fast machines and careful hands line up pieces so your sneaker fits like a comfy shell. Now zoom out to the global puzzle. One sneaker can be a world team project, with materials made in one country, assembled in another, and shipped across oceans in giant container ships. Trucks, trains, and warehouses keep the journey moving. Each trip uses energy, so engineers are working on cleaner fuels, better routes, and more efficient factories to shrink the footprint. Finally, your sneakers arrive in a store or at your door, looking brand new and ready for adventure. But remember, they carry a big story of earth materials and human work. So what happens next is partly up to you. If you wear them longer, repair small tears, pass them on, or recycle what you can, you honor the massive journey it took to make them.